Ever heard of cortisol, the stress hormone? It plays a bigger role in your longevity than you might think. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and today we're talking about how managing your cortisol levels can impact how long and how well you live. Cortisol is produced by your adrenal glands, and they help regulate your body's response to stress. It is crucial in controlling inflammation, managing metabolism, and balancing blood sugar. In short bursts, cortisol is actually helpful. Gives you energy, focus, and the ability to respond quickly to danger. But when it stays elevated due to chronic stress, it can actually take a toll on your health, leading to weight gain, fatigue, anxiety, high blood pressure, and even immune system suppression. Consistently high cortisol levels are linked to a range of chronic health problems, from cardiovascular issues to cognitive decline. Chronic stress and elevated cortisol can speed up cellular aging and increase inflammation. These are key factors to actually reduce lifespan. We don't like that. On the other hand, maintaining balanced cortisol levels can promote better sleep, stronger immune function, and healthier aging overall. It's about finding the right balance to support longevity. God created us to have balanced cortisol levels. Too high, not good. Too low, not good. You want a good balance. To optimize cortisol levels, focus on managing stress effectively. Start by incorporating stress relief techniques like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, and gentle exercises such as yoga or Tai Chi. Prioritizing sleep is crucial too. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest as cortisol levels naturally fluctuate with your sleep-wake cycle. It's normally high in the morning and it comes down throughout the day to be actually really low at night, and it's in balance with melatonin. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs can also help maintain stable cortisol levels. Regular movement is another key strategy. Exercise can help lower cortisol, but moderation is important because the intense, prolonged workouts may actually raise cortisol long term. Want to know more about how you can manage your cortisol levels? Check out this video here for more information. Building your resilience to stress is another powerful way to keep cortisol levels balanced and promote longevity. Social support, such as strong relationships with family, friends, or a community group, has been shown to reduce cortisol. Hobbies like laughing and creative activities and spending time outdoors can also lower stress hormones and improve your overall well-being. I personally love being outdoors. By cultivating habits that build resilience, you'll be better equipped to handle life's challenges without overtaxing your adrenal system. Do you want more tips on how to manage stress, balance your hormones, and boost longevity? Like, follow, and subscribe for more videos. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and I'm here to guide you towards a healthier, more vibrant life.